Alright, boys. We going to the gym. Oh, is this shit stick? There we go. Might as well give you a little cold start, a little warm start. Just got home from work, so it's probably a little warm still. Shake me. Not bad, not bad. All right, gentlemen. Oh shit! Oh, I can't drive. Oops. Okay. Water bottle, man. Alright, guys. There's something I need to discuss. I've been thinking about getting rid of this old, beautiful S650 because it's too perfect for my liking, to be honest. I don't know. Actually, no, mostly it's because it's expensive as fuck, and I want to own multiple sports cars, you know what I'm saying? Like multiple cars that I can have fun with, fuck around with, mess around with, oopsies. But I can't do that with this car. I can only afford this car. So I was thinking about getting rid of this, getting maybe an S197, 5th gen Camaro, building, you know, because those cars are like 15 grand right now. And I figured that'd be fun. Then maybe do build series on both of those. I think that'd be pretty fun. If anyone's watching this, maybe my 6 views, you guys leave a comment and see if that would be something y'all would be interested in. Be much appreciated. I guess that was all I had to discuss. Stuck in traffic. shop right there, boys. We need it. For my 20-minute drive home from work. That is crazy, dude. I filled up last night before work. Brake lights, man. What's this? Yeah, shit. I don't want people to look at me. Mustang. What was that? Fucking EcoBoost, dude? Oh my god. Mustangs. Always loud. Love it. Gotta love them, though, brother. Come on. Mine's loud, kind of. some. It's not loud enough. Rev action. Gosh. Get them out to work, man. Y'all hear that? Y'all heard that? Fuck, dude. Fuck, man. Scraped my lap. Let's see if we can get some nice. Oh, God, it's bump. Guy's got a gap cam on the Buick, dude. Oh, it's a camera car. Roller car, dude. Hell's yeah, brother. I ain't parking like that, boys. You know I ain't parking like that. Let's get some nice little revs right here. Ooh! That going off the building. Alright, boys, gentlemen, ladies. Leave a comment on what you guys think I should do. And anyways, you know, that'll do, pig. Love you, bye.